Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyle Hobby Shop. What we got here today is the Demon FR4. This is a new company that is the Cross RC. They have a lot of very cool vehicles and I decided to start making a couple of reviews for them. So let's show unboxing and review of one of their vehicles. This is a cool truck that they have, and I wanted for a while to do a couple of those videos, and I say, okay, they're not going to give us one, we're just going to buy one and see what we get out of the box. So let's start. So it's packed really nice. They have cool design on the box actually, with all the feature of how the wheels can separate, how it's a three-piece wheel, and the entire gear system and shock system, and those are all filled metal shocks, and how the entire framework, it's really cool. So let's open it and see if it's really look like this inside. Sophisticated box, and when you open it there is like a demon on the top of it, and it's actually packed really cool. Let's take it out, and there is the vehicle. It's actually with a nice nylon on top of it, and they give you the remote. We're gonna get to that later. And you have a user manual here. Those are pretty important. All the parts, everything you need is right there. And this is the model that they call FR4 ready to run. Let's look what there is inside. So let's start with the remote first. Let's see this remote that they give you with those things. There is a lot of noise inside. It means that there's more tools. Okay, so they're giving you some tools here, just like for the wheels, and a couple Allen wrenches. This is, we can put aside, and then they just put it in a nylon just so it's not gonna get any dust on. It's a Charisma. No, it looks like the Charisma remote, but no, it's a little bit cheaper. A very simple remote. I guess it's gonna do the job, but it's more like a toy style remote. Let's see how the vehicle is inside. The remote is okay, but this is not what we're looking at. We're looking at the vehicle itself. Let's do it. So to start, the vehicle comes with this nylon bag. Again, it's probably will prevent scratches. When you get it, it's brand new. It's stapled, so you cannot just pull it. You have to you have to tear it apart because it's not gonna come out otherwise. Gently take it out. And take it out gently because it has mirrors on it on the edges, so you're not breaking them. It's a nice metallic color to it. It's a very cool vehicle. So this is the Cross RC, and then it's have on it a nice sticker. They have those cool mirrors on it. When you just look on the glance, it's funny because it's a rock crawler, and it's not say anywhere that is a rock crawler on the box, but it is a rock crawler. It's actually have a nice body with the stickers and everything. On the back of it they make the spare wheels like the old classic vehicles, and on the front it have cool gear, and it's look like it's also have LED lights. We're gonna test in a second to see if they're working or not. Let's flip it. I put my hand underneath and see what we got there. Okay, it's really impressive. Underneath it's metal and plastic, and we have a broken part. It's out of the box with a broken part on it. It's probably happened during the shipping. Is one of the linkage broke, so I don't know if it's actually during shipping or someone vandalized it in the factory, but it's not a big deal. I will talk to the company that make it, and I'm sure that they're gonna send us replacements. So this part is just messed up, but everything is actually aluminum. The transfer here for the drive shaft, it's metal, and yeah, they're kind of nice and metal. They're not plastic. It's really cool, really impressive. Really cool design over there. And then you have the shocks. I'm gonna have to remove the body and show everything better. I just don't want it to scratch. Let's remove the body and see what we got over there. Okay, the body, when you pull it up, be very gentle because there is here all the connector to the lights. Let's see how to pull those things gently out. Yeah, all the light connectors are hooked up over here. So let's see. There is two different connectors. It's actually also missing one connector over there. So let's see how to disengage this. So you can see here there is a lot of wiring going here and here to the circuit for the LED lights. So you need to disconnect it gently if you want to remove the body. One gonna come from here, the other one is just going through the receiver, and then there is one that took up over here to the body, and then it's off. Okay, now those are the wiring to start with. Those are the wires that are going for the light, so don't cut them or anything. And then you have here your ESC. Now on the box for this, they're specifying that this is for, you know, you can run your regular nickel metal batteries, but you can also run on this thing a LiPo battery. And they say 2-cell or 3-cell LiPo, so it's pretty cool that you're going to have 2-cell and 3-cell. It has those big mud guards all around, and it's actually a metal frame to it. It looks like actually anodized metal, probably anodized steel, and it's really cool that they did that because right now you're going to have like a very strong platform, and it's a very nice quality actually, the entire vehicle. You have brushed motor, and the brushed motor sitting on the front, so it's kind of giving weight, you know, on the front. It's very soft suspension system. I push my hand on it right now, and they're going very soft, and it's a nice rebound to it. When we lift it back up right now, this area is very loose because of the broken part that we find over there. So I need to fix it before like I can do anything with this vehicle. And you can see here that it's like this entire steering system over here set up really nice. It can articulate like a real vehicle, not like a sport vehicle. The tires and rim, the tires of those pretty nice soft tires. The rim for it, it's a 3-piece rim with screws that you can actually open it up and put new wheels and close it. It's not glued on, so it should hold pretty nice. Brushed electric motor, I think it's a 550 motor over here, and the ESC is a small ESC, and then you have the receiver. Battery bay with area to tie the battery right in the center of the car, so this vehicle designed to have like kind of a front forward center of gravity. And then now we can leave it upside down. I'm gonna do it closer to the camera this way so you guys can see. So beside of this part that is broken, that I'm sure that they can just send me a part like this and I can put it in 2 seconds. The entire transfer is amazing. It's metal. It's going here through the motor, and then it's gonna go front and back, and it's super smooth. It's just super smooth. And there is one thing that you guys cannot really see, but when I'm turning this, there is another part here, another set of shaft that is nothing hooked up to it. I don't know if you can show it into the camera right there. There's another shaft that turning right there. This is like differential, so it's really cool and it's feel very smooth, but there's another shaft. So if you want to make this a 6x6, you can get a longer shaft and have another differential system with another wheel going to the back. Just think about it, because this will be super cool to do. Overall, this vehicle is look pretty nice, pretty cool, and they're about like $300 something. They're not so expensive. I cannot test run it because again of the broken part, but it's looked pretty nice. But what I want to do is put back, I'm gonna put back this, I'm gonna put back the connector, and I'm gonna put a battery. I really want to see how those lights works. So you gently have to put back the connector into the receiver. Just a tip, if you're buying this vehicle, because you need to remove this on and off, what I would recommend to do is put an extension here, an RC extension. It's usually for model airplanes, and after you put the extension, it will be easier for you to handle it. You don't have to touch the receiver. Now we have to put the light connector here. Okay, and what I need to do, I need to grab a battery. So I plugged the light in and they are pretty bright. Look how nice is this. It's making the camera blind. You have the two kind of turn signal on the bottom, and you have the light. They're pretty bright, and it's actually very, very, very nice. I really like this thing. And again, this is the Cross RC off-road vehicle. This vehicle available at MotoStyles shop right now. This is the FR4, and they're about like $300 or so. Brand new in a box. You're not gonna get a damaged one. I'm gonna send this one back, and I'm gonna get new one. I would just really want this review to go out already because it's a cool vehicle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This was a quick short review about this vehicle, and we're gonna go from there how to actually make this thing even cooler and do some upgrade. I think for the money you get very nice value on this thing, much better than other cheap brand that there is over there. Actually you get more even than expensive brand. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna make another video of this thing running, and actually I'm gonna show it again after we're gonna get some parts to repair it, or after they send me a new vehicle, whatever they decided to do with it. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Please cover your mouth with a mask right now. We're in a bad corona time. Stay home. Watch videos. Don't go outside. See you in my next video.